Right, so I've done the knives. I haven't actually tested them yet, but I believe they'll be fine. So this is the sheath knife. It's come out really nice mirror polish. The same bit of paper I used last time. Seems to be cutting alright. Haven't dropped it yet. And there's just a slight bite which disappears as you turn into the cut, which is really interesting. I just tidied up the blade a little bit, gave the handle a bit of a linseed oil treatment, and just gave that just a little bit of play. It's got a 18-degree edge now, and I took that to 8000K. So I'll just drop it and send it back. So it's that one. Next is this little Gerber, also 18-degree, 8000K finish. Yeah, no hesitation there. Runs through that nicely, and just gave it a bit of a wash so the mechanism closes slightly better. Next up, we've got the big Gerber. I think this is probably something like 420. I have just no idea what sort of steel it is, honestly. Again, I put a 18-degree bevel on it and a 8000K mirror polish. Again, not dropped yet. I think this should do the job. I gave that a little bit of clean, got rid of some of the muck, so it just closes a little bit better. And finally, this CTS XHP steel. This is interesting steel. It was made by Carpenter, and what they were trying to do was replicate or combine the best aspects of D2, which is toughness, and 440C, which is corrosion resistant. Unfortunately, they didn't do a very good job at all and ended up with the worst of the two sort of steels. And so they went back to the drawing board and made it a powder metal steel, same composition essentially. And powder metal means that you break up some of the big carboids, which was causing the problem. And now it's a much better steel, although still not a brilliant steel by any stretch of the imagination. Doesn't quite have the corrosion resistance they would like to claim, which is probably why this blade has been coated, although it may just been making it look nasty. And it doesn't have quite the desired toughness of D2, so didn't really get there what they were hoping to. But it's not a bad steel, just one I might not choose myself. Anyway, 18-degree, 8K finish. All these knives are done. All it needs now is a very slight stropping and then post them and send them back. So that's what happens if you send me your knife to get sharpened. Cheers, guys.